What's up, you guys? So I am back today. I'm gonna try one of the cream colors. Turn this fan off. I learned a lesson last video that fan was too loud. So yeah, I'm gonna polish my my little nubs with one of the cream colors from the SMOKE&MIRRORS set. You guys seen me use the someone commented and called it a pearlescent color, something like that. This color. So I'm thinking of doing this one. And maybe see what it looks like with that on top. I don't know, not sure if I'm gonna really do that or not. This one, I might just stick with this. Maybe this one for an accent nail, but I just want to get started and see what it looks like first. I'm going to open I have not opened this yet, and I've had it for months. My Olive and June nail polish cleanup brush that I got from Target. And I have my nail polish from over here, just in case I have any mess ups. So yeah, I'm gonna get this open and I'm gonna go ahead and start polishing. I've already put on my base coat. I put on my Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Grow. I'm gonna try to get back to that again. And I also put on this, the Sally Hansen Hardest Nail. On top of that, so that's what this brush looks like. See how this works. Alright, you guys, so I've started with this really pretty color. I don't know why I did that coat twice. I should have moved on to the next hand and came back and did a second. But it's, so far, it feels like it is a kind of watery formula. So it definitely needs 2 coats. You know, I'd say to be opaque in about 2 coats. I'm going to do 1 coat on the next fingers. I'm going to try not to go over it like I just did, rushing. Get enough on the brush first. But yeah, it's kind of like watery. I don't know. Looks with that 1 coat, but you see, like I said, I had to dip it back in there to get some more polish on the brush because it was just way too thin. And so far the cleanup brush is working good. It seems to be like drying pretty fast too. I don't have my fan on, so I don't have anything like that, you know, making it dry out quick. But I could just tell while I'm rubbing the brush through, like when I'm going over it, it's just, you know, drying up pretty quickly in some of the spots. So yeah, definitely gonna need a second coat. Okay, so I am almost done with the first coat, and I'm definitely gonna go ahead and do a second coat, see how it looks. I mean, so far it's not too bad. I mean, considering the price and the quantity, the amount of polishes you get for the price, not too bad. But what I was thinking about while I was polishing was, I wonder how this formula would work with stamping. So I think that will be something that I'm going to try to is try it with stamping. So I'm going to go ahead and let this first coat dry a little bit, and then I'm going to put you guys on time lapse for the second coat so you won't fall asleep on that one. And I'll be back. Also, I'm done applying both the coats. I tried to clean them up the best that I could. My fingers are dry on the sides. Don't mind that. I cannot find my little cuticle thingy to where I can get this dead skin off the side of my nails. So I got to hit it with some cuticle oil when I'm done. So don't pay attention to that. But this is what it looks like finished with both the coats on. I'm going to open this and see like if it's thin enough to maybe go over the top with it, just to hit it with a little sparkle. I'm going to do one nail to test it out and see if I even like it, because if not, it's just going to stay on that one nail. Let's do this one. It looks really pretty. Looks like it has a nice little sparkle to it. And it looks light enough. This polish dries fast. Not super fast, but it starts, I'll say it starts to dry quickly. Alright, so that's what it looks like with that top coat on it. And I think, do I want them all like that? Decisions again. Yeah, I think I do. So I'm going to do them all with that on top because it is pretty. Let's see. I wish these had names. Let's see if you guys can see all the pretty colors in it. Pinks and blues. Golds. So pretty. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do all of them with a thin coat across the top. I am done. I went ahead and put on my top coat in my quick dry. I wanted to hurry up and get some cuticle oil on so they won't look so bad when I show you with my dry skin here on the sides of my nails. I don't know why it gets like that, but it just does. And I need that sharp end of the cuticle nipper or cuticle pusher to get it off. So I think I'm gonna have to go buy one, because when I moved, I'm not sure what the heck I did with mine. I know I gave one away in one of the giveaway prizes, and I can't find another one. I've had more than one. I had like 10 of them, but I probably packed them. But anyways, so the polish, I'm gonna say 10 being really good and 1 being the worst. I'm gonna give it about a 7, because it's not that bad. I mean, you get, for $5 you get 7 nail polishes. The colors are nice. Like I say, you just need to do 2 coats. You know, let them dry really good, because you know sometimes when they're cheap polish, it takes a long time for them to dry. They were drying quick as I was polishing, but they still need that long enough dry time, you know. The colors that they have are really pretty. I like the way that it turned out. You guys can see them. It's, of course, wants to be blurry. I do like the way that the top coat looks on top of this color. It's really cute. And yeah, all in all, not too bad. I don't know, what do you guys think of the colors? I would purchase it again. Like I said, I want to try it out and see how it does with stamping. You know, doing a nail plate, stamping an image on the nail, seeing how well it picks up the image with the stamper. And then like for toenails, because you know, for toenail polish, sometimes the cheaper polishes, you know, toenail polishes last on your toes for a long time, so sometimes using the cheaper polishes works best. So I may try that. So yeah, but that's it, you guys. Yes, I just want to come on and show you guys what polishing with the cream smoke and mirrors polish from Five Below looks like. I think the color is turned out really pretty. I really do. I'll use them again. I probably will buy another set. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Bye, y'all.